Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. The landscape of multimodal AI is shifting fast, moving from basic retrieval toward agents that autonomously use tools and reason through complex problems. Riding that wave is a new paper that hit the Hugging Face trending list just yesterday, published on May 6, 2026. The paper is titled OpenSearch-VL, an open recipe for frontier multimodal search agents. It introduces a completely open-source framework that boosts model performance by an average of over 10 points across 7 different benchmarks. By extending the kind of reinforcement learning methods popularized by recent models like DeepSeek R1, this work aims to closely compete with proprietary systems. We will unpack exactly how they pull this off, and as we will see, their method for salvaging training data when a tool suddenly fails is arguably the most interesting part. And for those interested in the implementation, the authors have shared their code on GitHub. On Hugging Face, you can find the 8 billion, 30 billion, and 32 billion parameter models. These pages include weights plus code for running agentic search and inference examples. To execute that agentic search, Table 1 breaks down the tool suite integrated into OpenSearch-VL. It includes basic retrieval functions like text and image search to gather external information. Because real-world visual inputs are often messy, the agent also features image enhancement tools, which let it sharpen, upscale, or correct skewed documents before reading them. Finally, parsing tools like crop and optical character recognition help the model extract specific text blocks. To train the model to use these tools effectively, Figure 1 illustrates a pipeline for creating high-quality data without manual human annotation. It begins by constructing complex visual question-answering examples, drawing on Wikipedia paths, and linking them to specific images. The process then filters these questions to keep only the difficult ones that actually require tool use. Finally, it synthesizes the final training trajectories, which capture step-by-step examples of an expert model correctly solving the problems. To push the model beyond those initial demonstrations, Figure 2 details the reinforcement learning pipeline, which includes that clever method for handling tool failures. First, the model generates multiple trajectories to solve a query, which are then evaluated based on accuracy, formatting, and search quality. But in multi-step tasks, a single tool error can trigger a fatal cascade, making all subsequent actions meaningless. To address this, the pipeline uses fatal-aware token masking, which chops off the sequence right after the failure so the model ignores the resulting garbage data. Then, through one-sided advantage clamping, it still rewards the model for the valid reasoning steps taken before the crash, ensuring good, early logic is not penalized just because the final answer was wrong. Table 2 summarizes how well that robust training recipe translates into actual performance across 7 knowledge-intensive benchmarks. The results compare 3 approaches: direct reasoning from memory, single-pass retrieval, and the full agentic workflow. Down in the agentic section, the OpenSearch-VL models show significant gains across all scales. The 32 billion parameter version, for instance, reaches an average score of nearly 64, which actually outperforms strong proprietary direct reasoning models like Gemini 2.5 Pro. Table 3 breaks down exactly which parts of the training process drive these high scores. The top half looks at the data preparation pipeline. It shows that skipping steps like source anchor visual grounding causes performance to drop by over 10 points, proving these techniques prevent the model from taking shortcuts. The bottom section examines the reinforcement learning setup. Here, adding fatal masking and one-sided advantage clamping provides a solid 4-point boost over standard methods, confirming that salvaging good reasoning from failed attempts really pays off. Figure 9 brings all these pieces together in a real-world case study. When asked when a specific bridge opened, the model first uses its crop tool to zoom in on a distant road sign. Next, it runs an image search on that cropped patch, which identifies the structure as the Kessock Bridge. Finally, the agent issues a targeted text search to find the opening near, demonstrating how it chains visual perception and external retrieval to confidently solve complex queries. Wrapping up, the main takeaway is clear. Combining robust tool sets with fatal-aware reinforcement learning allows open-source models to genuinely rival proprietary systems. By releasing this complete recipe, the authors effectively democratize complex multimodal search. That is all for now. Alex here from the AI Research Roundup. Catch you next time.